Hi, this is Rubel from Tech Review. Today I'm going to show you how to can't type in the search bar to fix this problem. Press Windows plus R key to open Run dialog box. Type in the blank field C:/Windows/System32. Click on OK. It will redirect you System32 folder. Now find CTFMON.EXE. Double click on it. Right click on CTFMON.EXE. Click on Show More Options. Click on Send to and select Desktop Create Shortcut. Now close this window and again press Windows plus R key to open Run dialog box. Now type in the blank field shell:/common startup. Click on OK. Now from your desktop, drag and drop the CTFMON shortcut into this folder. Click on Continue. Now close all window and restart the computer. After restarting, hope your problem is solved. Take care.